Hello guys, so on this video I'm going to talk about how you can make $100 online by doing a very simple task. So I want you to watch this video because you want to make some free cash online. So just watch this video from the beginning to the end. It will not be long, just watch it, and if you find it useful you can apply the strategy, but if you don't find it useful, just leave me that comment in the comment section so let me know what you think about this video. So how to start this strategy or how you can use this method to make money online is to go to your smartphone. So once you are on your smartphone, the first thing you need to do is to go to this application which is called Earnably, or you can use the link in the description to go and access this application which is called Earnably. So once you have clicked the first link below this video, it's going to take you to this application or this website which is called Earnably. So once Earnably website open, you can earn money online by completing a very simple task like doing tasks, taking surveys, completing reviews, completing tasks for companies, and you will earn money by doing that. The first thing you need to do is to register. To register on this program is very simple. You can use Google to register on this website Earnably. Look at what they are saying. Say sign up. To sign up on this program, you are going to use Google, Facebook, or your paper account. So let me come back again. If you have an account with this application, I prefer you to have a paper account so that when you want to cash out your money, it will be simple and easy for you. You will not be like you not go through stress to receive your money. Once the money enter your paper account, from your paper account, you can transfer it into your bank account. Use it to do whatsoever you want. That is one thing I like about this application, which is called Earnably. I will log into my own account now. So as you can see, guys, I have logged into my Earnably account. So what you are going to be doing on this application is by downloading applications, playing games, taking surveys, you are going to make money online. So you can see that you can make money by just downloading this application. You can see this application, which is called Magnet Miner. So once I click on Magnet Miner, there is a task that they are telling me to complete. So these are the requirements. You have to complete all these whole requirements that you are seeing here. So if you are able to complete all these whole requirements that you can see on this application, like what they are telling you to do to make this money, then you are in the right position to earn that money that you are seeing here, which is almost 1,200 something Earnably points. So if you come down here where it says play time and earn money by playing games, so if I click on that here, you will see that this application is letting us know that we are going to earn money by playing games. So this is another application that we can use to from this application which is called Earnably and earn money online. So requirement, this offer will reward within 24 hours. New user only. Provide by Toro. So all we just need to do is to go and download this application, and more we are using this application, more we are going to earn money. So it keeps on going like that. You can see other games that you can download and start using them to make money online. So if I click on web here, it's going to show us the things that we can do, that we can use to make money by just following the step-by-step guide of what they are telling us to do. So if I click on this icon here, which is this four icon, you can see that you can select the type of task you want to complete, either offers. You can see offers there. If you want to take surveys, click on surveys here, and once you click on surveys, it's going to open up the surveys tasks that you want to start completing. So those are the survey tasks that you can follow and go and complete and earn money by doing that. If I click on this icon again, I click on videos here. So it's going to show us applications that we can use to watch videos and earn money by doing that. So it keeps on going and so on and so on. So all you just need to do is to go through the application, see what you have to do to start making money with it. And another way that you can use to make money with this application, which is called Earnably, is by inviting friends. So if I click on invite here, it's going to let us to know that we are going to earn 10% lifetime earning from anyone who refer to this program. That is one thing I like about Earnably. So anyone can use it, and you can make good amount of money by referring anyone or people to this website, which is called Earnably. So if you want to use it, you can use my link in the description. It will be win-win between me and you. We can be making money from each other. So that is one thing I want to talk about that concerns this application. And what the last thing I want to talk about this application, which is called Earnably, how you can redeem your money. So how to redeem your money? Click on this three dot icon and click on redeem. So once you click on redeem here, you will see that you can cash your money into your PayPal account, your Amazon account, your PlayStation account, Adidas, Steam, Footlock, Arsenal. So a lot of things that you can use your money to do. So it just depends on you. For me, I prefer cashing it into my PayPal account. So when I click on PayPal here, you can see that you can redeem up to $100 into your PayPal account. So if let us say I have $100 already on my own account, I just need to click on redeem and the money will be transferred or sent into my PayPal account. So that is everything I want to talk about that concerns this application that is called, or this website that is called Earnably. So that is everything I want to talk about, guys. So if you have any question, you are free to ask me that in the comment section. What do I think about this application or this website which is called Earnably? So Earnably is a good way that you can use to make money online, but it will not make you to become rich, but you can make some good amount of money online. And this website or this application, it might not be available in your own country. So that is a little bit barrier that I'm seeing for some people, or yeah, for some people who is watching my video. So if it's not available, you can leave me that comment in the comment section and I will send you video about other websites that you can use to make good amount of money online. So if you want to make more money, like good money online by you doing a very simple work, you need to watch this video where I talk about how you can make money with affiliate program. That is everything I want to talk about on this video. Only what I'll ask from you is to just hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, let me know what you think about this website or this application which is called Earnably, and I'll say thank you very much. And like I said, watch this video to learn how you can make money with affiliate program, and let me know what you think about this video that I just made. I'll say thank you very much, guys, and see you on the next one.